and welcome to the Wonder World YouTube channel. I'm Kaylee, here to take you on a journey to awake your curiosity. Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to the unique and peculiar village of Sułoszowa, a village that defies convention with its unique charm. Sułoszowa, nestled in the heart of southern Poland, just about 29 kilometers away from the bustling city of Krakow, the second largest city in the country. Picturesque road that stretches like a canvas for a whopping 9 kilometers. That's right. The only road in the village and also the longest in all of Poland. Sułoszowa, situated in the scenic Olkuska, is a quaint village with approximately 6,000 inhabitants living harmoniously together. Hundreds of houses standing shoulder to shoulder, lining both sides of the 9-kilometer road. Unlike many other places, here in Sułoszowa, the entire population of nearly 6,000 residents coexists along this singular grand road, as opposed to scattered living arrangements. The peculiar layout of the village has captivated millions worldwide, and it's easy to see why. Every household here shares a common feature: a house followed by a strip of farmland, resulting in visually stunning and harmonious aerial views. The color palette, as seen from above, is truly captivating, forming a breathtaking masterpiece, despite international news outlets like Mail Online and The Sun dubbing this architectural arrangement as bizarre for the Polish locals. Sułoszowa is just a typical, ordinary village. While unique street layouts are not uncommon in European villages, Sułoszowa's location amidst a vast field is truly the most astonishing aspect. So, there you have it, Sułoszowa, a village where life unfolds along a mesmerizing 9-kilometer road, creating a picturesque panorama that's both peculiar and enchanting. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the extraordinary corners of our world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, my friends.